we're back today, and I'm hearing some boomers. I don't know, that's the thunder, but today, I see elephant ears. They're about as big as they're going to get. The beautiful, looks to me, willow trees, and some beautiful butterflies were floating by. Some clouds in the sky. Saw a little tiny frog, a big frog. The nature here today, it's temperate temperature, very nice, light breeze, warm under the sun, but not too warm, just great. Very nice today. There's some little orange flowers. Chicory. There is at times growing here as well, some St. John's wort, really nice. I don't know what that is, goldenrod, golden seal, not sure which one. Very beautiful, sun's coming up. Chat soon!